That sudden hike sound isn't random. It's your diaphragm acting up. Hiccups happen when the muscle below your lungs contracts too quickly. Air rushes into your throat and your vocal cords snap shut, making the classic sound. Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even laughing too hard can trigger it. Most hiccups stop on their own after a few minutes. Scientists aren't fully sure why we get them, but they may be leftover reflexes from early evolution. Even animals can get hiccups too. It's one of those funny little flaws our bodies never fixed. A small reminder that even nature hiccups sometimes.